Hi everyone, in this Figma productivity tip, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste element properties. Let's get to it. For the purpose of this video, I've created a mock-up design for a product, and I'm just going to show you how to, for instance, copy this shadow that we've got on this element here across to these two cards. Now this container here has a shadow property, which has blur of 16, y-axis of 4, and 10% opacity. So instead of remembering all of those details and doing the same thing for these two cards, instead what we can do is we can select the element that has a property that you want to copy. And over here, when you hover over it, make sure you hover on the edge of that property row and then click on it. This will select it. As you can see, it's selected with the blue outline. Now hit Command or Control C to copy it and select the items you want to copy it to, and just simply hit Control V or Command V. And now that shadow has been copied over to those two elements. This can be done for all properties. It can even be done for multiple properties. For instance, we have a background here with two colors. I can create a rectangle here. And if I want to copy these two colors across, what I can do is I can select both of these at once. Simply click on the first one, hold Shift, click on the second one to select them both, hit Command C or Control C, and then paste it over where you need to. And now we've pasted two field properties for this rectangle. So you can also do this for prototypes as well. So for instance, I've got a button here. Once you click on it, it navigates to this frame. So what I can do is I can select that element that has that interaction. And we've already got our properties for this click event here. So what I can do is I can select it, copy it, go to each of the other screen's buttons. So we're going to select all of those. So we've selected 3, hit Command or Control V to paste it. And now all of our interactions have been pasted. So you don't have to spend too much time reworking them into other screens. You can just simply copy it and paste. I hope this technique saves you a lot of time. Now, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and have a great day.